Am I the asshole for not canceling my wedding after the death of my father-in-law? I, 26 female, am getting married in less than 2 weeks. My father-in-law passed away 2 weeks ago because of lung cancer after 3 months of hospice care. In my husband's family, it's customary to have 100 days without any kind of celebrations as a mourning. My in-laws are pushing me to call off the wedding since they claim it would violate the mourning period. And they said it would be highly inappropriate and disrespectful to have a wedding less than a month after he passed. I refused. The plane tickets of many of the guests have been booked months ago. Many of my guests are flying abroad, 10-hour flight roughly. The venue and catering have already been paid for. Although the passing of my father-in-law is extremely painful, I do not believe that it's okay to call up the whole wedding. My parents fully support my decision, and my fiance partly wants to go on with the wedding. All of my sibling-in-laws are calling me an asshole, and all of them and their children are refusing to attend the wedding. I feel really bad for my husband because he's going to be almost alone since his siblings are most of his guests. But planning this wedding has taken many months and resources from both of our families. We knew that my father-in-law was going to pass soon, but we definitely thought that we were going to have more time. So when we planned the wedding, we didn't take into account how much longer he had to live. Now that my fiance's siblings are taking it so hard, he's heavily conflicted. But I really don't want to cancel my big day. So am I the asshole? If you really have to ask a question like this on the internet, then you really have something wrong with you. The only person whose opinion should matter is her fiance. And if he's not okay with having the wedding right after his dad passed, then she needs to be okay with that. Just let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this one? Because I'm kind of triggered.